Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update the fan firmware and make sure the remote or app has enough battery. Once done, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network and position the fan within 5 meters of the router for a stable link. Now open the Atomberg app and sign in. You will see the device list. Tap your fan to open controls. This immediate setup avoids delays and lets you switch to sleep mode without troubleshooting connection errors. You now configure sleep mode. Open the fan control screen in the Atomberg app, then tap Sleep Mode. Select a duration such as 1 hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours, and choose the silent or low power profile. Make sure to set the fan speed you want to maintain during sleep, otherwise it may default to a preset. Once configured, press Confirm. The app sends the command. You'll see a quick status update. This sequence ensures the fan behaves predictably through the night. Finish by confirming the sleep active status icon in the app. This tells you the command reached the fan. If the icon doesn't appear, make sure Wi-Fi is stable, toggle it or repair the device in the app. Once done, try setting sleep mode again. If problems persist, power cycle the fan by switching it off for 10 seconds, then on, and repeat the steps. This straightforward troubleshooting tip resolves most connection or command failures quickly, so you can get
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.